Hi, I hope you are doing really well, and in this video we are going to discuss about how you can able to add the categories on your WordPress website. So you can see we are on landing right now in WordPress dashboard. In here we already set up the WordPress in our local host, and right now we are working on it. As you can see, we have lots of options in the left corner, and you can see the post option. In here we have the access to make more categories in this option. So click on the post and you will be landed in a post option. In here you need to be go little bit down and you will find out categories below the add post option. Just click on categories, and right now you are able to see the categories option. In here you can see that we have already existing categories that is uncategorized. It is randomly provided by WordPress by default. So the main goal is to create a new category is by doing this, that we have name box, we have Slack box. So right now we need to give a name that will be category. So when we set the name, always we need to be at the Slack. The Slack is the URL friendly version of the name. So it will help you once you are doing SEO for your website. It will help you to rank your website also. So it also contains only letter, number and hyphens. Always remember, make it more easy and convenient for your customer or your client. Like you can use the category, it is SEO friendly and organized too. And you can use brand category, like if you have a existing category and you want to set this category option below the existing one, then you can select it. By this way you will able to see the category after the uncategorized. So for making it a parent category, always make it none. And if you want to give any description, you are invited to, but it is not mandatory. Without description you can save it. Once you click on add category button, it will be added in here, and it is really easy. And let me see you the parent category option. Right now you are making an option that is try and giving the Slack by try, and now you are want to set it as a category option. And here just click on add category and you can see it is the optional. You can see there is a bar before the try, and it means that it is under the category. Whenever you want to view it, you click, you will find out the page that is under category and then try the link. So I hope you understand, and it is really easy to understand, hope so, and it will be really helpful for you. So further information you can comment below on the comment box, and if you love the video, just hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.